You're watching Roam Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Credit Repair Cloud, a comprehensive review and user experience. In this video, we'll delve into Credit Repair Cloud, exploring its features, target audience, and how it can empower you to effectively manage and repair your credit. Links to the product are available in the description below. Credit Repair Cloud is a robust software solution designed for both credit repair professionals and individuals seeking to take charge of their credit health. This platform provides a diverse toolkit that enables users to monitor and dispute credit report inaccuracies, manage clients, automate time-consuming tasks, and streamline the entire credit repair process. Featuring a user-friendly interface, Credit Repair Cloud caters to both newcomers and experienced professionals in the credit repair field. Among its key features are automated dispute letter generation, an intuitive client management system, and comprehensive reporting capabilities for tracking progress. Within a single platform, users can create personalized dispute letters, send them directly to creditors, and efficiently monitor the status of each case. Furthermore, Credit Repair Cloud offers valuable training resources and readily available customer support, ensuring a smooth onboarding experience for new users. This platform is an excellent choice for individuals aspiring to launch a credit repair business or those looking to independently improve their credit scores. Whether you're a seasoned credit repair expert or just beginning your journey, Credit Repair Cloud equips you with the necessary tools for success. The software's emphasis on automation significantly reduces the time investment required for credit repair, enhancing overall efficiency. By automating tedious tasks, users can focus on strategic decision-making and client interaction. In conclusion, Credit Repair Cloud is a powerful resource for both credit repair professionals and individuals navigating the often complex world of credit management. Its intuitive interface, customizable features, and exceptional support make it a compelling option for anyone striving to gain control of their credit situation. For more in-depth information, be sure to explore the links provided in the description. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.